Hey guys, so I did finish the TA analysis on NIO. If you guys want to check out the full video, I think this is going to be a little bit longer than a minute. Please go on my YouTube, subscribe if you guys are getting these TA analysis. Also, go on my YouTube, subscribe, like. But more than likely, this will probably be longer than a minute, so it won't be the full analysis on TikTok as it probably will be on YouTube. So let's get started. I did just finish it right now. I do think from the tops that we are right now, I do think we're going to go back down and retouch the $28-ish level. Currently right now, momentum, I mean, the MACD is kind of showing us little bit signs of bearishness. So is the AO oscillator, and momentum. The last time we were at these levels, we actually dipped from, as you guys can see here, let me see. We actually went from the tops of, $29 to 25. So I think we might see that happen again. I think we might see that $4, short change, and we might go from our tops of $32, which you guys can see on the right-hand side, all the way back down to 25. To $28, and I think we're going to rebound up from there. If Biden wins, I just think that kind of confirms the direction, and we're going to rebound even higher up. But like I said, last time we were at these levels, you guys can obviously see here, that the MACD, once we started seeing weaker MACD bullish candles, we did start to go down. We did on average go down about $4 on the last rundown. I do think the same thing is going to happen. I do think we're going to go back down to the $25 level, and then we're going to shoot all the way back up. Also for the momentum is showing the same signs as it did before right here. We are at the 3-ish, 4-ish levels. Last time we were here, we did go down $4. I do think, like I said, it's just confluence, right? It's just building constant confluence from everything. The only thing that's actually super, I wouldn't even say extremely bullish because it really isn't, but the AO indicator isn't showing signs of growth. It's actually showing signs of kind of consolidation, and I do think that this might start going down. Once we do see, even right here, if you guys can see the MACD, if we do see signs of another weaker bullish candle get created here, that kind of confirms the drop, and it solidifies that. So as far as right now, if we do see like another reddish week, I do think NIO is going to drop down to around the $27-ish, $28 level, and then we'll see another jump. That can also change depending on how bad this week is, if it's good or bad, whatever, depending on how the markets take it. We can drop all the way down to, I think, $25, $26, and then rebound off that. But again, that really depends on news, depends on who wins the presidency, everything. If Biden wins, I do think we'll see this exact pattern play out. If Trump wins, we might go down to the $26 level and then rebound. The worst case scenario, I think, is going to happen if we drop down to $21. But I am not bearish on NIO at all. I do think that NIO is going to go, at worst, go down to $21, bounce off, consolidate around this price range a little bit, and then shoot up to the stratosphere. I don't think NIO is going to be going down at all whatsoever. The only concerning thing is this gap here at around $21, $22. There is a theory that gaps always get filled, which has been extremely true the last couple of months or so. So I don't know if this will actually get filled or not, but anything between the price range of like around $21 and where it is right now, I think is a really solid buy, especially if you're holding long term. But I do think that this, statistically, I do think that this play up here is probably going to play out. I do think that we're going to see a quick drop down to $28 and then skyrocket, or it's just going to be, it's basically going to jump up. So it's either going to jump up from here, going to go down, bounce, and go back up, if there's no fundamentally any news that completely blocks it. But that's basically it. So good night. We'll see you guys later. I'll be doing more of these charts later on in the future. Let me know on tickers you guys want me to do these on. I'll put them up on my YouTube. More than likely not going to be on my TikTok, at least only like the first minute portion, because these usually take a little bit longer time to explain. If you guys do want to find out how I trade and what I use and what my strategy is, let me know, and I might actually post that. But yeah, that's pretty much it. Have a good night. I'll see you guys later. Bye.